Hello everyone, this is Khaldun from Kanen Coffee. Today we're going to test this beautiful quick meal M58 Lucca espresso machine. It comes to us for maintenance and to add the flow control, another pressure gauge here with the flow control, this here. So it just get added, and the machine was needed an overhaul. So I replaced all the pistons, one here and two there, and the shaft here. This is the shaft, how it looks like. It is this one. It goes there to control both pistons up and down here between them. And this is the piston up, and another one there. And here's the third one, fits like that here. So it gets replaced, and this part here, this filter replaced, and the OPV combo with vacuum release valve get replaced too, this part. And after deep clean the whole group head unit and here, just to also get replaced the shower screen, the old gasket with the new one, new silicone nice gasket and shower screen. Gets descaled and back flushed many times before that, and get a little bit serviced that it wasn't for his, and deep cleaning for the steam wand, the hot water spout. So let's go ahead and test it, make a espresso shot on it. Now okay, let's first try it with the flow control to see how. There you go. One here, and you open it all the way. And you used to try to pull a shot before the water use also leaking all the time from here. So let's try. This is the first shot after the modification. Looks super nice. Amazing. A nice shot with thick curry. Let's test the steamer again. Perfect. And the hot water. That works great too. So the machine functioning perfect, like brand new. Thank you for watching.